Did you know that over 50% of pets will develop cancer at some point in their life? Losing a pet is one of the hardest things that we as pet parents will ever experience. You may have been closer to your pet than even some of your family. That's how I felt about our Finn, our German Shepherd who passed 3 years ago from a brain tumor, and our two cats, Stanley and Callie, who both passed from aggressive GI lymphoma years before Finn even passed. After seeing so many other pet parents and friends lose pets, after our beloved Finn, Stanley, and Callie, and feel so lost or confused on what to do to prevent their other pets or future pets from getting sick or heal their diseases, I knew there had to be a change. We were able to give Finn an extra year of amazing quality of life after we were told he had a week left by his neurologist because of using holistic medicine. And unfortunately, too many pet parents are never even given that chance because of our broken medical system and so many vets not even knowing this way exists. However, you don't have to fall victim to a broken medical system. If you're ready for a different path forward with your pet's care, you're in the right place. I'm Dr. Katie Woodley, holistic veterinarian and founder of The Natural Pet Doctor. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about empowering amazing pet parents like you with the tools and tips you need to help your pets thrive naturally. If you're into that, I would absolutely love if you'd subscribe to our channel and join our amazing growing community. Let's dive right in with my top 3 tips to get you started to make sure you're doing all you can to help your pets thrive. First, always ask why at the vet clinic. Veterinarians are truly here to help you, but the problem is the system. We're taught to be the ambulances at the bottom of the cliff and to provide reactive versus proactive medicine. I remember when I first started in practice, I would immediately reach for the prednisone for the skin issues or the metronidazole for the diarrhea. They usually worked really well for clearing up the symptom, but that's where the problem lies. I was just treating a symptom and I didn't truly understand why it was there in the first place and the most important part of what that drug was going to do to the body in the future. I now have more tools in my toolbox for helping the symptom, like herbs and food that work better, but don't adversely impair the microbiome for years to come. But I'm also asking better questions like, why is the symptom here? Symptoms are like check engine lights for the body. Using a drug and not diving deeper into why it's there is like putting a Post-it note over the check engine light and ignoring it. It might be okay short term, but eventually something much bigger is going to break. So always ask your vet, why are we using this product and why is this symptom here? So you can dive deeper and figure out what the root imbalance truly is. My next tip to help your pets thrive is to get them onto a fresh food diet, or at least add in fresh foods as treats or as toppers to the diet. My heart literally breaks every time I hear a well-meaning pet parent tell me they never give table scraps because they know it causes harm. Unfortunately, this is a marketing ploy deceptively passed down from the big pet food companies to scare vets and pet parents to not feed what we call human food. Why would human food be harmful? It's real food. So what is pet food then, and why would it be better? Now that I'm much more aware of the pet food industry and how pet food is made, I can see there's a huge difference between human food and pet food. In fact, pet food isn't even fit for human consumption and is deemed feed grade because of the poor quality ingredients that go into making it. I want you to compare feeding your pet kibble with eating Cheerios every meal for the rest of your life. Hopefully you'd never do that. And if you did, you'd eventually end up with some crazy nutritional deficiencies, even though it's technically balanced with synthetic vitamins and minerals. Pet food is one of the most hotly debated topics, and for some reason, there is just not much common sense around it and tons of fear. If you're needing help and guidance with this area, make sure to download our free simple guide to improving your pet's food for more help on where to go and start. However, keep it super simple, like get your cats off kibble and onto at least canned food. I look at my 2 cats that died of aggressive GI lymphoma, and they were on poor quality dry food and canned food because I was taught in vet school that it was fine. But cats are obligate carnivores and they don't need carbohydrates. They're not going to thrive if the nutrition that's going into their bodies is inflammatory, not even feeding the good bacteria in their microbiome. Now I know better, and my cats go right onto raw food diets from the very beginning. They also get whole food toppers too, like freeze-dried organ treats and whole foods like minnows and sardines for additional nutrients and support. Remember, even just adding some fresh food on the top of your pet's food bowl will make a huge difference if that's all you can do or feel comfortable with right now. And my last tip for helping your pet thrive is to become aware of the emotional health side of healing and optimal health. Stress, fear, and overwhelm predominate in our culture today, and unfortunately, our pets are also being affected by this. Our pets, especially cats, are very energetic beings. They will absorb your energy, whether it's calm energy or if it's frantic, stressed energy. And there are numerous studies that show how important managing stress is to achieving true optimal health. The microbiome has received lots of attention in the past few years, and it's essential for the rest of the body working well. Due to the gut-brain axis, stress can directly impair gut function, create more inflammation that can then impair the brain, skin, and many other systems in the body. Being stuck in this sympathetic overdrive and a chronic stress state is a major concern for many pets and pet parents right now. This may be a big factor if you find your pet experiencing the same health conditions that you do. So before you reach for your anti-anxiety meds for your pet, I want you to assess the environment and your stress. Are there things that you can do to help ground yourself? Maybe journaling, meditation, writing down all the things that you're grateful for. Simple exercises like these, they're free and they don't take much time, but they can actually have major health benefits for both you and your pets. Another fun way to help alleviate stress for both you and your pets is exercise. Even just going for a walk and smelling the fresh air can do wonders for our immune systems. I have so many clients that bring their cats along in strollers too, if the cat's happy to do so. And with one of our own cats, we love sitting out in our backyard. He gets to explore, smell all the smells, rolls in the dirt, and eats the grass. It absolutely does wonders for both of our souls. The conventional medical system, unfortunately, doesn't focus on these areas that are key to optimizing health. Appointment times are too short. There's not enough training on how to find the root cause, too much emphasis on drugs and limitations that come when the drugs stop working and there are no more options. I was there with all 3 of my previous pets, but holistic medicine opened up a new world for me to not only help my own pets, but to share with my clients and patients. By understanding how everything is connected, becoming more aware of the foundations of health, and having the confidence to ask why and stand up for my beliefs, this is where the magic and true optimal health lives. If you're feeling overwhelmed, confused, or frustrated that you're not getting the results you want with your pet's care, start with watching our free masterclass down below on how to find the root cause to learn more about the foundations of your pet's care, but most importantly, gain some more tools to help them thrive. So if you like this video, it would mean the world to me if you left a comment down below. And I hope you found something helpful to guide you, reframe you with the power of holistic medicine and its approach. Thank you again for wanting the best for your pets, and I'll see you in our next video.